So hey guys, welcome back to Fibonacci Swings. This side I am Abu Bakr and I am today breaking down this trade at how I captured this 1:6 risk to reward ratio move, which was actually derived from the fair value gap on a weekly time frame, and then it was sort of completely easy steps which you can also follow to actually gain these sort of moments. And this is a three-step breakdown which I am going to make the video on. So let's deep dive into the video. So we are on the weekly time frame and we can see we have a PD array which is right about this fair value gap, and this fair value gap is very important because the next candle is closes right below the wick, so this makes a very high probability. The next candle which was expansion but still it closes below the wick of like gold, so now we can anticipate high, low, then we can anticipate more high. So what were the steps which I followed? So that was fair value gap marking out, so I have marked out this fair value gap. Daily was not quite interesting here. So in the daily time frame, we can see there is a sort of water block right over here. So price has reacted to it. So if there is an like PDR in the weekly time frame, we can actually go to the lower time frame and we can see there is an something sort of order block or something more interesting which we can look at. Okay, so my ideal time frame was 1 hour. I was waiting for 1 hour CSID to make shift. So this was a weekly time frame gap, fair value gap, and now one we can see that this price closes right about the Friday, and then the Monday when the market opens, so price expand expansionally that it closes below above that area of this CSID area, because you can see there's a pullback down candle and then it goes up. So this makes a CSID. Now I was waiting price to retest this CSID area. So price retested this area, which is 2860, and then I deep dive into the 5 minute time frame. So this is the time 3 March 2025 2 a.m. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. So when I go to the 5 minute time frame, we can see that what is the special here, that price came up to this area, price made a low, but price has not sort of confirmation right over here. We can see that there is no confirmation right over here that we can follow. So there is a low. So I was waiting that price to sweep out this low. So price has swept out this low, and then we got another CSID in the 5 minute time frame. So this is a multiple time frame breakdowns then taking a trade. So this was a CSID right over here. I mark out this. So our entry is like over here, but I shared my tweet, which was when price was right over here. So price retested that area. So I took an entry. My entry was here, and my stop loss was below this, and I was targeting the liquidities which were right above the area. So what was the liquidity area? First liquidity area was this. So this was my TP first, and then it can move to the higher area, which was like these liquidities right over here. So my ideal TP was 28999. That was actually I was targeting 2900, but yeah, to actually tweak that. So this was my actual TP 28999, which was actually shared onto the tweet too. So this was an TP area right over here. That's actually very impressive. But yeah, I have trailed this trade. So yeah, actually state trade was on the higher time frame narrative basis, so you can take this swing trade although. So this is a whole through breakdown of this trade, that how I captured 1:6 risk to reward ratio and made almost $4,500 from right about this trade. If you want more trade like this, you can join our Discord community for free. That's actually where you can find the um, your same minded level people who are actually discussing the charts, and I am also sharing my analytics about the currencies and commodities too. So you can follow that. You can also capture these big moves. So I would not ideally recommend to capture these. I would recommend 1:3, 1:2, 3.5, because that's good. If you are looking for the swings, yeah, you can capture all these like of moves. So hope so you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share who made it. Thank you.